All, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video I want to share with you all how we performed Rudrabhishekam and Varalakshmi Puja in our new home. This year we celebrated both of the Rudrabhishekam and Varalakshmi Vratam in the same week. Doing Rudrabhishekam from a long time, from the COVID time. We learn Rudram, Namakam Chamakam, and we do the puja every year. So this year we invited so many guests and we performed Rudrabhishekam. So many our chanters helped us in performing this Rudrabhishekam. We invited many guests and we did Panchamrita Snanam and
Chandram Hirmayin Lakshmi Jatavedo Mahava Andram Yakani Suvarnam Hemamali Surya Hirmayin Lakshmi Jatavedo Mahava Ta Mahava Jatavedo Lakshmi Manavagami Esyam Hirinya Prabhutam Gavodasyo Sham Vidyayam Puryanam Om Mahadevi Vimmahe Vittamatye Dhimahi Tanno Lakshmi Prachodayat Om Dishya Prato Bhutvajo Yada Jamanya Triya Panchatatattancha Dvekamatsadatan Jabed Anandakar Dhammache Vasikiti Devitrada Triya Putra Svayam Triyeva Devada Matmurya Bhav
such a blissful event that happened in our home with everyone. So we were so happy. Varalakshmi Puja, the day before we were making some pre-preparations. As part of it, we decorated the backdrop. Along with that, we also tied the sari draping for Amavaru's idol. So I have taken this yellow sari and it looks so good in the for idol. I have taken this brass piece in the backdrop. On top of it, I also put another kalasham to make a support of it. I have this silver Amavaru face. I want to tie this idol. I recently purchased this crownlet for Amavaru's face. I want to tie the face along with this crownlet. It is filled with a lot of stones with all colors, so it is looking so beautiful. I'm so fortunate to get this kind of crownlet when I was shopping in India because it looks so complete when we tie the crownlet along with Ammavari face on the coconut. So I tied Ammavaru face for the coconut along with this crownlet. Ammavaru looking so beautiful. It looks very natural. Also, I decorated some of the flowers, plastic flowers for Ammavaru face. Day of Varalakshmi Puja, we made Gauri Devi and Ganesha with turmeric. We started our puja with Sankalpam, Kalasaradhana, Ganapati Puja and Dhyanam, Avahanam, Asanam, Padhyam, Arghyam, Achamanam, Panchamritas, Adhanga Puja, Ashtotaram, and also we chanted Lalita Sahasranamam. This time we performed puja with my cousin, my mother-in-law and myself. We all sit together and prayed Varalakshmi Devi. And at the end we offered all different kinds of prasadams to Varalakshmi Devi. We were so happy to perform this puja all together. In the evening, I invited multiple ladies and gave the tambulam. So this year is special to us, and it went well. we were so happy to do this puja. This year is so special to us because we celebrated this puja in our new home, and unexpectedly so many other ladies also came in the evening, so we felt Varalakshmi Devi came into our home. And